How do you access your Apple ID from the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, you can find all of the Apple ID related things inside of your settings app. So when you go to the settings, the first thing at the top of the list is your profile section. And so you have your name, first name, last name, and profile picture. You can tap on it. And this is essentially your Apple ID section. So you can see which account is currently being used for that Apple Watch. And you also have the personal information section, sign-in and security, the subscriptions, and it's essentially the same thing which you can also find in the iPhone settings. And on the top in the first row, it's literally the same thing, so you can browse all of your other devices which are using the very same Apple ID and everything, right? So that's kind of how it works. Depends on what exactly you mean or what you want to achieve with your Apple Watch Lite. So, if you want to access something else, or if I did not cover the thing or your question in this video, let me know about it below. It is possible I'll make an updated video about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well. Stay tuned, of course, and I'll see you then.